Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna fix out your Roblox issue. You are not authorized to join this game or you do not have the permission to join this game with error code 524. So let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, let's start with the settings of your game. Click on this gear icon and choose the option settings. Here, click on this privacy tab, scroll down and under other settings choose the option who can invite me to private server. From here select everyone, scroll down and it is saved. Now go to the home page again and select your game and check if it is working or not. If the error is still there, you can try by creating a new game server for yourself by choosing that particular game. For example, I'll choose this one. Click on the server tab and here there is the option of choose create server. Click on it, give a server name whatever you like and click on the option get now. Now here is the server. Now click on the chat option and you can invite your friends using this chat option to this particular server to fix out your issue. If this also doesn't work out, in next step click on the start menu and type CMD. Choose the option run as administrator. Here let's fix your internet connectivity issue. So type here ipconfig / flush DNS and then hit the enter key. Now type another command netsh space winshock space reset and then hit the enter key. Now as it is saying you must restart your computer, so go ahead, close it and restart your system and try to play your game again. Now if this also failed to work out, the last option is to again head over to settings, apps and features, and here in the search box type the name of your game, which is Roblox. Click on this three dot icon and choose the option uninstall. Click on the uninstall option. This will completely uninstall your Roblox game. Once it is uninstalled, go ahead, open your store and reinstall the game. Many users have reported that simply by reinstalling this game has fixed out your error code 524 in this particular game. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching my videos.